India is a powerhouse of a talent that is eager to contribute and ever ready to learn. There is two-way synergy that is greatly beneficial. Friends, the second factor is India's ability to reform and rejuvenate. Indians are natural reformers. History has shown that India has overcome every challenge, be it social or economical.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed India Global Week on Thursday. Modi said in his speech, India is the powerhouse of talent. He has been contributing to the development and well-being of the world and wants to give it even further. Our country wants to move forward. Is an Indian natural reformer. We face every challenge, be it social or economic. Today we are fighting the war against the epidemic with full force, but we also want development and environment protection together. The Prime Minister further said in his speech, Earth is called Mother in India. We are its children. We are working on ease of doing business. We have made all the reforms related to this and are taking them forward. We provided facilities to people in times of epidemic. We released a relief package. Appealing to PM Modi, he said, we appeal to global companies to come forward to invest in India. There is a wealth of talent and opportunities here. There is a lots of investment potential in the agriculture sector. We have also reformed in defense and space sector. This will increase employment opportunities. India is very powerful in technology. Referring to the pharma sector in difficult time, Modi said that the epidemic has brought out how much better the pharma sector of India can perform. We can make cheap and quality medicine. In the case of vaccine too, he is confident that this will happen. We are ready to contribute in this matter. This will help developing countries.
Friends, on one hand, India is fighting a strong battle against the global pandemic. With an increased focus on people's health, we are equally focused on the health of the economy. When India talks of revival, it is revival with care, revival with compassion, revival which is sustainable both for the environment and the economy. We in India belong to the culture where Mother Nature is worshipped by everyone.
Thanks for watching Rebel News India. Stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.